So Starbucks came out with a new drink called the Toasted Vanilla Oatmilk, and I had a little alteration done to it to make it taste a little bit better. So this is what happened at Starbucks. White mocha,
Yeah. And then a couple pumps of toasted vanilla because it's half pump.
a couple pumps of toasted vanilla,
Toasted vanilla. Just
sweet,
make a foam with it.
okay, sweet cream, toasted vanilla.
And then I'm gonna go.
And what is that machine doing?
Blender.
Oh, it's just a blender. Oh, okay. Ooh. All right, so break it down for me. Tell me what it is.
Okay. So it's a vanilla sweet cream cold brew basically, but instead of vanilla, I put toasted vanilla in it, and with the foam, I put white mocha and toasted vanilla, which will give it like a marshmallowy taste.
Ooh.
And then it's just layered, but if you mix it, it'll taste better.
Oh yeah. Caramel.
It looks yummy.
It tastes good too. It's a little bit sweeter. It'd be like perfecto.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm an expert.
Ooh, now that's perfect. There we go. Well done.